Who doesn't like an Oreo cake? Let's see how to bake it. The required ingredients for this are Oreo biscuit, powdered sugar, milk, chocolate, baking soda and baking powder, and chocolate syrup. Take the Oreo biscuits in a bowl. Grind the Oreo biscuits into its powdered form. In a mixing bowl, take the biscuit powder. To it, add the dry ingredients, powdered sugar, baking powder and baking soda. Mix them well. Add milk to the mixture and whisk it. Whisk it to obtain the consistency as shown. Grease the baking mold with butter and dust it with maida so that our cake doesn't stick to it. Transfer the cake batter into the mold. You have transferred all the batter. Add chocolates to make the cake taste even better. I'm sure you'll like it when it's done. Transfer the cake batter to the baking tray or the preheated KADHAI. Close the KADHAI with a lid. Keep it on medium flame for about 30 minutes. Now let's check if the cake is baked. Yes, it is. Separate the edges using a knife and invert the mold onto the plate. Transfer it to the plate. Wow, the cake is ready. The yummy cake is done. Let's slice a piece and pour some chocolate sauce to it. Slice it carefully. To make it look delicious and to make it taste delicious, add some chocolate sauce. Aha! It looks awesome, doesn't it? Let me taste it. It's yummy. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found, please let us know.